Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking TikTok, how to get yourselves from 0 to 1,000 followers. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I've been on TikTok since 2019 and I started out with very slow growth, and it was because I was new to the platform. I didn't really know what was going on. I didn't really know what to do and how to grow really quickly on TikTok. And also a big problem was I was watching more than what I was actually creating. I considered myself a part-time TikToker. I wasn't posting all that often and I was just posting randomly, and it really affected my growth negatively. It was only after I started using the platform on a regular basis that I started understanding what was working for other creators, and I could take some of that strategy and implement it on my own channel and see if it could work for me. And after trial and error and testing, I eventually started gaining some traction and started understanding what was working for me. Not every TikTok account is going to blow up overnight. You know, it's kind of like playing the lottery, and just because you play, there's no guarantee that you're going to win. And just because you're posting a video does not guarantee that it's going to get 10,000, 100,000 views or even go viral. There is one positive spin-off to this though. By having a brand new TikTok account, TikTok does seem to favor newer creators, newer accounts, and those accounts tend to get that initial boost, that initial push by TikTok, and that seems to get, maybe in their mind, get people hooked and get them posting more, because once they've got that initial hit, they want to recreate that all the time. And that seems to be the case with TikTok, and that seems to be how they're getting people hooked on this. And I know a lot of you new creators are asking all these questions. What do I post? How often do I post? Trends, niches, is it just too much? Don't stress about it. I'm going to give you guys an easy guide and an easy walk through all of this so that you guys can get started and get yourselves to that milestone of 1,000 followers. So let's do this. How often should you post as a new creator? Okay, so this is what I recommend. Guys, you got to be posting every single day. Every single day, you got to be posting 5 times per day. Don't listen when they say 2 to 3 times a day. Guys, you got to be posting at least 5 times a day. 5 times to 7 times a day is my recommendation, because, and this is the big secret, 90% of your videos are going to flop. 90% of your videos are going to get probably between 100 and 200 views, if you're lucky. Alright, there may be one that's going to spark off, and the more you guys post, the more chance you've got of a video blowing up. Now some of you have got no clue what you want to post. Like, Mark, what should I post? Post randomly. What do you like? What do you enjoy? Just make random videos. You see something that you like, make a TikTok. If you want to do something, if you want to do a dance, make a TikTok. If you want to sing a song, make a TikTok. Just create. Get those 5 to 7 videos out every single day. I almost said every second day, every single day. I say, choose your niche. What is your niche? Your niche. Niches. It's difficult. But as a new creator, if you're trying to get to 1,000 followers, if you're trying to grow your account and you don't know what niche you want to be in, you don't know what you want to specialize in, let's say that, you know what, don't worry about a niche. Don't stress about having a niche. 0 to 1,000 followers, you just need to be creating. Create random things. Create cooking, dancing. See what takes off. See what blows up. Because it could be that you love dancing and you love cooking, but you find that your cooking videos are getting more traction. Don't stress about a niche. Just post randomly. Get yourself to 1,000 followers by posting randomly. Don't stress about a niche as a brand new creator. Okay, then there are the trends. Okay, the songs, the effects, and all the rest. Guys, I encourage you, use that. Use the music that is provided there. Go for the trends. Make the trend your own. Put a unique spin on a trend and make it your own. But use the trends, use the sounds, and use the effects that TikTok supply you. It's gonna help you guys. Okay, so now we're gonna put in some random extra information because I know a lot of these things confuse guys and they're not too sure about it. Okay, so now there's a thing like hashtags. How important are hashtags on TikTok? And for me, my opinion is hashtags don't really play a great role in video views. Hashtags are more used on TikTok to categorize your content. So if you're making comedy, obviously have a hashtag comedy. If you're making cooking, hashtag food, cooking, dinner, cuisine, whatever it may be, because that will categorize your content, but it will not necessarily help to boost your content in any way as a small creator. Alright, then there's the next thing of, and this is very important guys, the length of your videos. How long should your videos be? Now as a new creator, you're going to have the option of running a 15-second video, or you have the option of running a 1-minute video, and they're starting to roll out the 3-minute video formats as well. But I would say as a small creator, as a start creator, the number one thing that TikTok determines the most is the view time. View time is so important for TikTok, and you want to get your videos to be viewed for the maximum length of time possible on TikTok. So I recommend uploading videos that are as short as possible. I would say definitely have them between 7 seconds, no longer than 10 seconds long. As a new creator, you want to keep people's attention for the maximum amount of time on TikTok and watching your video whole way through, or as much of it as possible, because that's going to determine how well your video is actually going to do, guys. So do not post videos of 1 minute, and if you've got the ability to post 3-minute videos, don't even go near that. Don't even worry about that as a new creator, guys. You've got to make short little videos. People's attention spans are really short on TikTok, and they're scrolling by. Myself, when I'm scrolling on TikTok, I'm watching a video, and 1 or 2 seconds, if it doesn't catch me, I'm scrolling past, and if it catches me on the first few seconds, I'm giving them another 3 or 4 seconds, and I'll lose interest really quickly. So you need to be posting videos that are, say, between 7 to 10 seconds, no longer than 10 seconds. Now you want to get your audience engaged with your content, so you want to encourage people to comment. Alright, I always say on my YouTube videos, guys, you must comment down below, let me know what you think and all of that. But on TikTok it's a little bit more difficult. So what you have to do is, in your description, you have to ask a question, or say something controversial, so that you can get people to engage and to comment on your videos, guys. Comments are really important, but as I said, the most important thing on TikTok, the most important metric is your watch time. Right, production quality. I don't know, some of you guys are like, oh, I don't have the best phone and my video and my audio quality. Guys, listen up. As a new creator, production quality actually doesn't really matter. It's quality of what you're saying, not the quality of the video or the quality of the audio, guys. Don't stress about having an expensive camera and sound equipment and mic and all of that. You're getting started, you want to get yourself to 1,000 followers, guys. Just make your videos. Don't worry too much about the quality. Obviously, make sure the quality of your message is good, but don't worry about the video quality. Don't worry about the audio quality. Just to start out, I'm doing this video right here, this YouTube video. I'm doing this YouTube video on my phone. I don't have an expensive camera or anything like that. All the videos on my YouTube channel I have done on this phone, and it's not the most expensive phone and it's not the most expensive camera in the world. So don't worry too much about that, you guys. Okay, so some final pointers on this, and then we're gonna wrap this video up. Okay, so consistency, guys. Consistency is so important. What I said was post daily. Make your best effort to post every single day. Consistency is so important, all right? And be yourself. Be yourself. Don't be afraid. That's why TikTok is there. That's what makes TikTok so different and so much fun, is because you can just be yourself. You can be crazy. You can be funny. You can be silly. Whoever you are, just let your personality shine out, you guys. And most important of all, guys, is to have fun. If you're not having fun, you're not going to be in it for the long run, and you're going to quit before you've even got ahead. So having fun is so important. Remember, guys, if you do a video that does really well and you're getting a lot of views, the followers are going to automatically come. Post 7 times a day, 5 to 7 times a day, guys, and the followers will definitely come, and you guys will get yourselves to 1,000 followers in no time. Awesome. So guys, I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you think, and let me know what other TikTok tips you guys would like to learn about, and I will definitely make some more videos for you guys. So alright, till next time, guys, you guys stay awesome and keep TikToking. Cheers.